Good morning. Today I'm going to show my audiences how I using quick transfer to transfer the photograph I take from the aircraft to my iPhone. First of all, let's remove the cover. Open up the aircraft. Plug in the battery. Next, turn on the aircraft. One short touch, 1-2 minute touch. Again, one short touch. Again. Okay, it's on. Now turn on my iPhone. Now the aircraft is on. Okay. Go to the DJI app, Fly app. Now this is DJI Fly app. It's on. Now what we see is connection guide. Hit the connection guide, you'll see the model, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Okay, now we see the quick transfer here. Hit it. DJI, that's the model. Pairing, start to pair. They ask you to join. Yes, of course, you hit join. Okay, now we have all the photograph here. See all the photograph here.